Atom SE drone weighs less than 249 grams, so there's no need for FAA and remote ID registration. Its fold-up design is compact enough to fit in a jacket pocket. The built-in brushless motor allows the drone to resist level 5 wind and fly stably. Equipped with a 1/3 CMOS Sony sensor, it can capture 12MP photos and 4K 30 frames per second HD video. The exclusive Shake Vanish technology ensures more stable and smoother images, with a 118 degrees field of view and a camera angle that adjusts vertically from +20 degrees to -90 degrees. The Blind drone has completed remote ID certification and complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance. Get a Blind drone and fly unhindered. Any questions about FAA remote ID, please get in touch with us via the contact information on the back cover of the manual or the Blind drone app. A one-click detachable 4K video camera, along with a 120 degrees FOV lens and larger COMS sensor, will bring you the ultimate aerial photography experience, especially to record the unforgettable night scenes you see. Besides, equipped with a 3-axis gimbal plus 5x digital zoom ensures its shooting is more stable and convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance, direction, and composition. Under 249 grams, FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. Capture stunning moments in any light: sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage. Under 249 grams, FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Film in 4K HDR video for crystal clear aerial shots. With dual native ISO fusion, Mini 3 enables the capture of details and highlights and shadows, both day and night. Striking vertical videos are ready to share. With true vertical shooting, you can easily capture tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls. And after capturing, it's in the perfect orientation to post to Instagram or TikTok. Bright LEDs on the Q9S drone emit vibrant neon green and blue light throughout its entire frame, providing you with a powerful illuminating effect and a vivid flight experience. IT also has 3 different display modes for lighting. We believe that it will surprise you all. The structured style and 4 sturdy propeller guards ensures a secure flight which protects your kids to avoid body injury from spinning propellers. High-quality ABS material to withstand countless crashes or drop. Very durable and reliable drone for kids and beginners. Equipped with a 720p HD camera and FOV 80 degrees wide-angle lens, drone can capture extraordinary moments. In addition, with FPV transmission, you can see fabulous scenery simultaneously in live videos on the app. The drone will intelligently follow your guidance. Voice control and gesture selfie and some other intriguing functions can provide a terrific experience. You will marvel at how advanced it is. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from different angles. GPS-assisted flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. Simply connect the Wi-Fi of drone. You can enjoy real-time live video from a bird-eye perspective on the app. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, the beautiful aerial scenery can be captured and stored on your album, which makes editing footage and sharing instantly to social media from your iPhone or iPad. The best drones with camera for adults can be controlled by remote, app, voice, gravity, leaving you the immersive experience. More than 10 professional stunts, 360-degree flip, high-speed rotation, circle flight, trajectory flight, etc. Surprise your grandson, children, family, friends, add endless joy during parties, travel, hiking. The drone will hover at the certain height when you release the throttle stick. Easy operation with extra fun. The robust and fantastic 360-degree flips and rolls stunt reveals effortlessly with the 6-axis gyro flying control system. The drone will instantly take off, land, return by a simple push of one single button. Fair idiot-proof with ultra-responsive motor. Capture breathtaking 4K Full HD photos and videos from a bird-eye perspective with the Contixo F28 Pro drone equipped with an exceptional 85 degrees FOV camera and adjustable angles, 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Say goodbye to average footage and elevate your aerial photography game. Experience hands-free flying with multiple one-key flying modes designed for beginners. Fly far, skyrocket, and spiral effortlessly, thanks to the functional and expensive drone features. Enjoy additional intelligent features like Follow Me, Waypoint, Orbit Mode, Selfie Mode, and Headless Mode for enhanced control and versatility. The optimized full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90-degree adjustable lens enable you to see the world from different angles. GPS-assisted flight. It can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. RC drone equipped with a FPV HD camera, you can easily capture high-resolution portraits and videos by it. FPV mode, first-person view, is useful for enjoying distant landscapes. Real-time Wi-Fi transmission allows you to instantly share beautiful photos with family and friends on social platforms. Whatever you can do with the remote, you can do with the SYMA Fly. SYMA app is equipped with many interesting functions, such as flight path mode and gravity control. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. Add much fun to your flight. Our drone with camera 4K features 360 degrees obstacle avoidance technology. A built-in laser scans the flight path, effortlessly avoiding obstacles with an incredible 3-mile flight range, allowing you to explore farther than ever before with our GPS drone. Our 4K drone effortlessly tracks and records your flight with real-time on-screen data. The long-range drone's return to home, RTH, feature ensures a safe return to the takeoff point with a single button press, even in low battery or signal loss situations.